Finding the perfect phone plan can feel like a never-ending search. You want something affordable, reliable, and flexible, but it often feels like you have to sacrifice one to get the other. And that's where UpRoam Mobile comes in. It's a prepaid carrier that positions itself as a budget-friendly option with unique international perks and no long-term commitments. If you've been struggling to find a plan that checks all your boxes without costing a fortune, UpRoam Mobile might have caught your attention. So in this video, we'll take a dive into what it offers, from its pricing and features to network performance and customer service, so you can decide if it's worth your money. And before we dive into it, just a quick heads up, if at any point throughout this video you guys want to try out UpRoam Mobile for yourselves, then you can head over to the link in the description to get the best deal available, so check that out if it tickles your fancy. Now, UpRoam Mobile isn't designed to appeal to everyone, but that's part of what makes it stand out. It's geared toward people who prioritize affordability and flexibility without giving up on important features. If you're someone watching your spending, you'll appreciate its prepaid structure, which lets you pay for what you need up front without the hassle of a long-term contract. They absolutely shine for those of you who frequently call or text internationally. Whether you have family abroad or need to stay in touch with friends in other countries, UpRoam Mobile makes it easy and cost-effective. International texting and calling minutes come included in all plans, making it a natural choice for anyone with ties beyond US borders. It's also ideal for people who value the freedom to change their plans as their needs evolve. For example, a college student is trying to stick to a tight budget might start off with a low data plan but have the option to add more as their usage increases. Someone living in the US with family overseas might find UpRoam Mobile's international features to be a lifesaver, offering a level of connectivity that traditional carriers often charge extra for. Compared to competitors like Mint Mobile, which is owned by the same parent company, UpRoam Mobile offers greater flexibility with its month-to-month payment structure. Mint Mobile often locks users into 3, 6, or 12-month commitments to unlock its best rates. T-Mobile prepaid plans, on the other hand, might offer stronger perks like bundled entertainment options, but they lack the international focus that makes UpRoam Mobile unique. Furthermore, UpRoam Mobile's plans are designed to fit a range of needs, and they're particularly appealing to those who don't want to spend a fortune on their phone bill. The entry-level plan starts at $15 per month and includes unlimited talk and text along with 250 megabytes of data. This might not seem like much, but it's a good fit for light users who mainly rely on Wi-Fi. If you need more data, the $19 plan offers 3 gigabytes, while the $49 plan includes unlimited talk, text, and data. What sets UpRoam Mobile apart is that all its plans come with unlimited international texting and at least 60 minutes of international calling. For people who frequently communicate with family or friends abroad, this is a standout feature. You can also purchase add-ons for extra international minutes or additional data if your needs change mid-month. When comparing UpRoam Mobile to other prepaid options, it holds its own. Mint Mobile might offer cheaper rates if you're willing to commit to a multi-month plan, but UpRoam Mobile's flexibility and international perks make it more versatile. T-Mobile's prepaid options may have slightly stronger data speeds, but they tend to be pricier and don't include international benefits. Now, UpRoam Mobile operates on T-Mobile's network, which is great news for most users. T-Mobile's network is widely regarded as one of the best for urban and suburban areas, offering strong coverage and fast data speeds in cities and well-populated regions. If you live in or near a major city, you're unlikely to run into issues with call quality or data reliability. However, things can get trickier in rural areas. T-Mobile's network doesn't have the same reach as Verizon's in more remote locations, so it's worth checking UpRoam Mobile's coverage map if you live or travel in less populated regions. When it comes to data speeds, UpRoam Mobile generally performs well in areas with solid T-Mobile coverage. You'll have access to both 4G LTE and 5G where available, which means you can expect fast and reliable service most of the time. That said, as with most prepaid carriers, data speeds may be deprioritized during peak usage times. If you're streaming videos during rush hour in a congested area, you might notice some slowdowns, but this isn't unique to UpRoam Mobile. Furthermore, UpRoam Mobile's features are where it really shines, especially if you have international communication needs. Every plan, like I said, includes unlimited international texting and at least some international calling minutes, covering over 80 countries. Another helpful feature is data rollover, which allows any unused data from one month to carry over into the next. If your data usage varies from month to a month, this can be a lifesaver, making sure that you don't lose what you've already paid for. Ultra Mobile also offers a straightforward mobile app that lets you manage your plan, check your usage, and add more data or calling minutes as needed. It's not the fanciest app out there, but it gets the job done, and it's easy to navigate. For those who travel internationally, Ultra Mobile offers roaming add-ons. While these aren't the cheapest option available, they're convenient if you need to stay connected while you're abroad. You can also purchase additional data or international calling minutes as add-ons, which gives you more flexibility if your needs change unexpectedly. Then, when it comes to signing up for Ultra Mobile, it's a very straightforward process. You can purchase a SIM card online or at retail locations like Target and activate it within minutes. The setup is simple and user-friendly, making it accessible even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. Customer service, however, can be a hit or miss. While Ultra Mobile offers multilingual support, which is great for its international audience, some users report frustrations with long wait times or difficulties resolving more complex issues. But realistically, if you've ever dealt with any kind of customer service, this is an issue just generally. That said, most customers don't even need to interact with customer service on a regular basis. Managing your account through the Ultra Mobile app or website is easy, and the system is intuitive enough that you can handle most tasks on your own. So, Ultra Mobile has a lot going for it, but like any carrier, it's not without its drawbacks. On the positive side, it offers extremely affordable plans, unlimited international texting and calling minutes, and flexible monthly payment options, and its reliance on T-Mobile's network means that you'll have reliable service in most urban and suburban areas. On the downside, coverage in rural areas can be inconsistent, and data speeds may slow during peak traffic times. However, if you mainly live or work in urban or suburban areas, Ultra Mobile leverages T-Mobile's network to make sure that you have reliable coverage and good speed, including access to 5G where available. So regardless, this still makes it a dependable choice for people living in well-populated regions. So Ultra Mobile is a great choice for anyone who wants a budget-friendly plan with strong international perks. If you're someone who frequently calls or texts overseas or needs a no-commitment plan that won't break the bank, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you live in a rural area or need consistently fast data speeds during busy times, you might want to explore other options. And so that just about wraps up today's video, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. If you enjoy the video, consider liking and subscribing to let us know that you enjoyed the video. And also, don't forget to use the link in the description to get yourself the best available discount for Ultra Mobile. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, make sure to take care.